welcome everybody. So this is second practical class about the crypto. Again, we have to start with disclaimer to make learners happy with just saying that please do your own research. This is not financial advice, and you are responsible for all your action. Recording or distribution of provided information is not allowed. This class, for class like this, you would pay approximately $600, $700, or even $800 outside. So please treat it like this. Like, imagine that you spend $800 and then somebody come to you and tell me what was in the class. Okay, so I'm sure you will not tell him. I will be repeating these classes, and I will get more audience and more information from other people or reactions. So please, if you have friends, share with them information about these classes, but please let me know if something is interesting, and I will organize it again. Okay, the recording is on and it will be provided for you for this class. So recapitulation. During last session, we started to speak about security, and that most important thing is to stay on the radar. That means that you will not in social groups send messages about your successful trading and so on and so on. Yeah, so just be quiet, keep yourself secure, don't make yourself target, because end of the day we are dealing with money. It is your money, and the money all the time attract various type of creatures which want to take that money from you. Yeah, so please stay on the radar. Part of that is using a VPN. If you didn't install it, you should do it as soon as possible. Install antivirus, have some strategy how to create your password, and I spoke about that you should have encrypted USB stick to which you save your password, because one of the main problem in crypto is that people are losing their passwords and then losing access to their wallets and losing access to their money, and it's not recoverable. Okay, you have to remember your own bank, and there is no support you can call and help you. Anyway, it is very simple techniques you can be using, so you need to learn it properly, and that's why we should have encrypted flash drive. We spoke about using Signal Messenger instead of WhatsApp or Telegraph, because all these companies are already now providing users' data to big tech companies which are using it for marketing purposes, but also your data are basically exposed to outside eyes. Okay, we spoke about Google Chrome setup, but I recommended that you should use Brave browser and use it all the time when you are dealing with crypto, for the very same reason I told you already, that basically as soon as you are using Google Chrome, as soon as you type in some search phrase, in that moment it's recorded, and this data are provided to other companies, and again you are exposing yourself to unwanted eyes. We continue to speak about wallets, about types, about backup phrase, and how to restore it. Okay, we spoke about Atomic and Exodus wallet, and if you want to increase your security, that you should use hardware, so-called cold wallet, which is not connected to internet all the time. It is a special type of flash drive which stores your, I will come to that later, but let's say money, but you can use it only when it is connected to your computer. A part of that is secure offline and not connected to internet like other hot wallet, which is Atomic and Exodus. But anyway, you have to realize that also these wallets are very secure. Okay, but usually it's not a wallet which is hacked, but usually it is your access to it. Okay, so as soon as you are not connected to internet, for sure nobody can hack you. Okay, we spoke about interesting projects. As example, I showed you Shiba Inu and metaverse and the minting of the plots in metaverse. This is from this you should take basically that coin is just tip of the iceberg. 99% of people are interested only about profits. Basically, buy the coin, wait till it's gain more value, and sell it with profit. But The coin is only a representation of a lot of application behind, and the Shiba Inu and its metaverse and another application I showed you means that after surface, that iceberg has really wide base. Okay, so remember, coin and its value and taking profit is really just one small bit of it, application behind, utilization, payment system, and so on is much more important in future. Then we spoke about why it is important to position yourself now. This is a graph of price of Bitcoin, and probably when you are here in the class already, you know that all-time high for Bitcoin was in November last year, which was around, I think it was even 69,000, and in the moment we are in so-called dip, and price oscillates around 30,000. You can say that, oh, this is really bad investment because it's losing value, or you have more positive look on the things and you can see, oh, have a look, now we can buy all these cryptos with discount. And this is exactly what we are speaking here, because if we do projection and include market cycles, we will in future achieve something like that, movement like this, and your crypto will grow. For example, Bitcoin is expected to go to 100,000 soon. Again, what is soon? I don't know. Nobody knows. Already in March, January, February, March, they're screaming that we are going to 100,000, okay, which is 3 times increase. Later it should be 200, which is 6 times increase. And they are predicted that in 2031, Bitcoin will have value of $1 million. Okay, I don't know how they know it, but it was people who are in crypto long time, so it's like not making up by mind. Okay, so how we can profit in crypto? Again, just remind us also why we are doing it. Of course, the ultimate goal is to profit from it. So crypto is a very volatile asset class and really provides a lot of really lucrative opportunities. This is just one of the trades I did. Have a look, date is 17th of March. We are not speaking about last year bull run when everybody was getting money, when Bitcoin achieved $69,000 per one coin. Yeah, this is really just a recent trade, and as you can see, I bought it on 17th of March, and after 13 days, the profit on this trade was already plus 350% profit. After 32 days, it was 450%. After 41 days, it was 500% profit. 500% profit is 50 times. Okay, so if we invested, let's say $100, you would have $5,000 from it within 1 month something. Yeah, and even in the time when I was doing this presentation, which was I think 2 weeks ago, and again price is different today, but even in that time when already this coin fell a little bit, the profit was still 223%. Yeah, so there are really opportunities, and in the way up you don't need to do anything, but there is another opportunity which is at top of that, which is utilizing products like liquid swap or staking. And as you can see here, for this particular coins, it was 89% annually, which means that in this time, actually I think I exited somewhere here, not even in this top, because you never know, of course, when it's top, it's easier to say when you see the graph, but when you are going, you just see where it's coin now. But in this 1 month, if you take that annual yield is 89%, in 1 month you will earn additional 8% of this particular coin. Okay, again, I'm not saying this is coin you should jump immediately. I'm just demonstrating possibilities which crypto brings. Okay, and this coin, is it good, is it not good? Again, I don't know. I was just showing you my experience. Okay, this is another coin, and this is, I really don't think it's good one, but again, in this coin, provided annual yield was almost 400%. Okay, I can't imagine that any bank in a whole world can give you 400% on your dollars or whatever you are saving there. But of course, this coin Another way, is it good? Is it not good? I don't know. I don't know how it will go in the future. But as you can see, this was good. This is new coin which pumped and then started to go down. You have to bear in your mind that rule that if something is too good, it's probably not very good. Okay, it's probably not true. So even this 400% is probably some mechanism, some product, how they want to attract more users, but it's not kind of proof that it will perform in the future very well. Okay, so what possibilities are there if you are fan of BRWL and you want to have it more? This is the percentage you could earn that time when I was doing this presentation. Okay, we spoke about wallets, that wallets in the crypto world do not actually hold your money. That wallets are basically smart programs which can connect to BitChain, and on the base of your public and private key, that they can obtain your balance from BitChain. Okay, so it is keys which they are holding, not your money. Public key is kind of your bank account or your email address, while a private key, which you should not share with anybody, is your digital ID, digital signature. Okay. Then we spoke about wallets. I demonstrated for you Atomic Wallet, and from this is most important thing, that when you are creating a wallet, you should write on the paper the recovery backup phrase, because if you lose it, you will not get back to your money if you lose access to your device, to your phone, to your computer. And these are the rules. Write down 12-word phrase on paper. Do not and store it securely. So do it probably even 2-3 times. It's good to have some redundancy. If your house burned down or is flooded, your paper can be lost, damaged. So it's better to do it in 2-3 places. You should not take photo with your phone, because again, it is connected to internet. There is chance somebody can hack to your phone. Do not save screenshot on your PC for the very same reason. And keep it away from any digital devices to avoid possibility of being hacked and money stolen from you. Remember, you are your own bank. Okay, but again, as I said, it's not rocket science. You can do it very easily. Okay, so now we are in agenda of this overall course. We spoke about security. We demonstrated some coins, which was Shiba Inu, and now we are speaking about handling of the crypto. So today we'll speak about exchanges, how to open your account, what is two-factor authorization. We will speak about main parts of exchange website, how to deposit money to your account, how to buy your first crypto, and how to securely send that crypto to your wallet. Okay, so nobody is sleeping. Let's review participants. Okay. Okay, hi Johan, I didn't see you. Okay, now let's get back to homework. So can I check on you guys? I just want to know. So who is here? Johan. Johan, how are you?
Yes, I'm good.
Okay, thank you. This was the homework. What did you manage? Do you have Brave browser?
Yes,
Brave browser. Okay. USB flash drive.
I don't have the flash drive. I have the browser. I have the
Wallet. Do you have
the wallet.
Okay.
I have the wallet.
Atomic or Exodus or different one? There are many of them. This is just example. Yeah. Which one do you have?
Yeah. So I have the wallet.
Which one?
The MetaMask wallet.
MetaMask. Okay. Actually, I will speak about MetaMask because it's another interesting wallet. Okay. So you have MetaMask and hardware cold wallet. Did you purchase hardware Trezor or Ledger?
Yes, I got the hardware cold wallet as well.
Okay, very good, very good. So you are really set well for beginning of storing of your crypto. Who else? Andy.
I've got the Brave browser and I've got the Atomic wallet. I have not got around to the other things. I came back on Saturday to Dubai, so I still need to purchase
fine.
the cold wallet.
So you have Atomic, and you don't have a USB flash drive, yes?
No, not yet.
Okay. Andrews, did you see presentation? The link. I know that you are not present. Oh no, you were present actually.
I was present. Yes.
Okay.
So I have my Signal. I have the Brave browser.
Okay.
And this is pretty much it at the moment.
Okay. So no USB drive. Okay, fine. Who else is here? Nachiket.
Hi, Mark.
Hey.
So I have the Signal.
Okay, everybody does because
I have the Brave.
Brave, yeah. Okay.
Sorry.
You have Brave also, yeah.
Yeah, I have the Signal. I have the Brave. I have the Atomic.
Atomic. Okay, very good. USB drive.
For some reason, Mark. For some reason, I'm not getting the Atomic wallet on my Apple Store. I don't know why.
No, there is
It's not-
Atomic wallet is not on App Store in the moment. They had some security problem. Yeah, it's not convenient. That's why I'm for certain reasons I'm keeping my crypto in Atomic wallet, and for different reasons I'm keeping an Exodus because Exodus have a lot of wallets are also on a smartphone. Okay, so it's very convenient. Yeah, so
I have a Coinbase actually.
Coinbase. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, there is more wallets. This is my choice. Yeah, so we have different one. Fine. At least people in the group hear about that and they can make their choice. Okay. Vivian. Dave browser. Did you finish? Did you drive safe? Did you crash? Or you're still in the car?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I almost switched. I am using Brave browser. I just actually I was using Chrome all this while, but I switched to Brave now and moved all my links over there. I've been using MetaMask for a long time now.
Okay, so you have MetaMask. Okay, I will still it's good wallet.
Yeah, but the thing is, I keep most of my things on a lending platform called Nexo.
Okay.
For the only reason that they are insured in a sense.
Okay,
But
it's
yeah.
your choice. We will speak about exchanges, and the majority of times is okay. I'm doing that with part of my crypto too, but for reason because I'm trading it. Okay, so as soon as you are investor, which and this course is for investors. This is not trading course. We can go there later, but it's more secure to have it in your wallet because. Imagine that you really take your $1,000, you walk to normal money exchange, I don't know, here in the Spring Sogo, whatever, you change your dollars to dirhams and you tell them, you can keep it, yeah? And they say, okay, we keep it for you, it's fine. 2 days later, they safe will break into all money taken and money are not there anymore. So in crypto worlds, this can happen. As soon as you don't have it in your wallet, yeah, they are not your coins, yeah? They are not your coins. Just remember that. Okay, fine. Abdallah, can you put the camera and microphone on so I can see you? Hello from Oman. How are you doing?
Good. How are you? So I managed to download the Brave browser. I got the USB flash drive as well, and I opened them.
Okay, I can't hear you properly. So you have Atomic or Exodus or different wallet?
Atomic.
Atomic, okay. And how are you doing with the USB drive?
Yeah, I have the USB drive. So the only thing that's left is the cold wallet.
Okay. So as I understood, sorry, it's very bad, audio. So you have a USB, okay, fine. So hard wallet you don't have, as I understand. Okay, that's fine. Now, somebody else who didn't speak yet, there is somebody with, it's just showing C. I don't know who it is.
Sorry, Mark, this is Carlos.
Carlos, can you put your camera on till you're speaking so I can see?
Yeah, sure.
Carlos.
So, can you see me or not? Now you should be able to see me. I have Signal. I couldn't install Brave because I use my work laptop, so it's
Okay.
not so easy. And I have the flash drive and the Atomic wallet.
Okay, very good. So you have Atomic, your USB. Okay. Chrome, it's not that it's not safe, but there is possibility that they are selling your data. So that's the only thing. And I show you the way how to, sometimes you have open several windows so that the visual distinguishing of background is very good to keep yourself focused for what you are doing, especially when you're dealing with money. Okay, thank you. Somebody else who didn't speak yet? Werner Herren is here. Hi, Werner.
I'm here.
Okay,
Yeah,
what are you doing
Visual
with?
Messenger. I'm just installing this Brave browser,
Okay.
but all the other things not yet.
Okay, fine.
To do that, I know.
Okay, no problem. So get into that. While you are not buying currencies, it's good just to watch. But if you are planning to do it, just please follow this. It's a really safe way what to do it. The majority of people do not have this information. Majority of people keeping their money on exchanges, and the money are just not yours, and they are all the time being hacked. The biggest one are the most secure one, but also they can be hacked. They are insured to a certain level, but it's best to keep your crypto in your wallet. Okay. Some of you mentioned, so now I switched off my participants. So now you should see only me. Okay. I want to speak briefly about MetaMask. It's another hot wallet. It has PC and mobile version. It costs you zero. The only wallet that you have to pay for is hardware wallet. Okay, all others are software wallets. Specialty of MetaMask is that it connects you to various applications and exchanges and networks, which other wallets do not have. And it works specially as extension of your browser. So like Exodus and Atomic, they are special application. They are on your PC, a special application, but this one is extension of browser. I will show you in a minute. And also good utility or good feature of this wallet that it can connect with your hardware wallet, not like Atomic doesn't have it, for example. Exodus have it. Yeah. So if you want to use MetaMask, you should go to this website, and you will find download on the page, and you will see. Okay, you should have to download, and you should find either Chrome extension or Brave. So as we are all using, or we should use Brave, you should click on Brave, click, and after that it will open this extension for MetaMask, and you need to download it. Yeah, so you are just going through series of screens. Is very easy, nothing to discuss about really. Just add to Brave. If you are using Chrome, it will be written here, add to Chrome. So add extension, and you just go through series of screens. So quickly I will demonstrate. Welcome to MetaMask, get started. New to MetaMask. Again, if you want to recover your wallet from another device, you just use import wallet. If it's new wallet for you, you just click on create wallet, and in principle is very same what I demonstrated on Atomic wallet, that something is I agree that you need to create password. Again, as soon as you are creating your password, not to lose it, not to forget it, you should use your encrypted USB drive, go to that passwords folder, to password file, and write it there, like what email you used. You store your password to your flash drive, then recovery phrase, which you should not discover to anybody. You should save it on paper, as I already told several times, and save it on several places. It's revealed to you. So this is your recovery phrase. It's 12 words here. Some wallets have 24 words. Okay, so next, now it's require you to confirm your secret recovery phrase, that you write it properly on paper by clicking on these buttons. But so you should have it in yes, we start with nation, rich, and so on and so on. And after that, you confirm. And congratulations, you have your MetaMask set. And after that, in your browser is displayed here, this icon of Fox. Okay, and it looks like this. MetaMask, as I said, is connecting several networks, because in crypto, it's not only one network we are using, it can be really several networks. So switch is here. I will show you in a minute. I will stop my presentation. I will we will discuss switching of networks. 3 dots is showing you connected sites, and here this colorful icon is accounts you can switch on. You can see that here I have connected my wallet. My MetaMask wallet is this one account, and my Trezor is here. Yeah, you can connect your hardware wallet via MetaMask. And I will speak about importing of tokens, because as you can see here on asset side, we see on Ethereum in the moment. So if you want another tokens which are not here, because it came in a pre-install like raw status kind of, you can import tokens by going to a website which is called CoinMarketCap. I will show you everything, okay? And then we'll speak about some projects. So now I'm stopping my presentation and switching to my browser. So see you in a few seconds. As I told you, as soon as you installed there is no magic behind. As soon as you install your extension, it will be here. The same on Chrome. Here you have management of your extensions. So if you open it, this is your extension. MetaMask is here. What I want to mention to you, only important thing is that you can pin it. So it's here, or you can unpin it. For example, these other ones are not displayed here. If you unpin it, it will be not here. But if you can't find it, just go to extensions and pin it on, so you can see, or just open it from here directly. If I open it, it looks like this. Again, we can switch the other networks. We'll get to that later, but the different networks has different speeds, different fees. So sometimes it's preferential to use different networks for different transactions. So as you can see here, I have 0 Ethereum, 0 BSW. If I switch to another network, again, the mask connects to that network and will read balances which are on that network. And you can see BNB is here, 0.025, and I have 7 BSWs here, okay, and some tethers, US dollar tether, yeah. And what I wanted to show you is that all these things that, for example, if you want to receive, you just go to this screen. We'll get to that later, because I will show you how to send money. And something else here. Here you can switch between accounts. You can connect your hardware wallet. And what I want to show you is that if you install your MetaMask, most probably you will see only Ethereum here. So if you want to add another token, you have to click on this import tokens. Yeah, and now we can start with search just to demonstrate. But Shiba, let's add Shiba Inu here, like we had this example, but it is not here. So if you want to install the whatever token which is not in this list, you should need to go to custom tokens. And here is something which is called contract address. So where to obtain it? It's very easy. One of the main websites which you can get basic information about every coin is a website which is called CoinMarketCap. And here already I did a search for Shiba Inu. Yeah, so Shiba Inu, and then information about this coin will come here. And when we want to add Shiba Inu to MetaMask, here is the contract address. So either you do copy. So if I do copy, it will put it to clipboard. Then when I come back to MetaMask, I can put it to that field. But already here you have icon add to MetaMask. Okay, so when I click to it, automatically it will be added to your MetaMask. So I just put add token, and when I open my MetaMask again, the token should be there. Okay, so see, Shiba was added. So remember that if you just install this, again, this is very good wallet. Why we are showing this wallet when we have already Atomic and so on and so on. This wallet is very often used in another application. If you remember, I was showing you Shiba Inu Metaverse, which was this website. And before you start doing anything with this website, you need to connect your wallet. And in this moment, you need to have wallet which is used for this application. Yeah, so MetaMask is here initializing, and your MetaMask automatically will connect. So if you want to use decentralized applications or even decentralized exchanges, yeah, you will need this wallet. Okay, again, Shiba Inu is connected. Next, connecting. Very easy, just few clicks. Now, as you can see my Ethereum balance at 0 because this is for presentation purposes. But on the base of this, you can start using this application, and I will not repeat it, but I showed you last time that how you can mint land and so on. Yeah, so that's why we need, like when you are buying NFTs, very often you are using MetaMask. Yeah. So now MetaMask, and one important thing is that when you are finishing your work with whatever crypto, you should disconnect, log out, and so on. Yeah. So here you see that this website is connected to your MetaMask. So before you finished, you should go to these 3 dots, connected sites. Okay. And in the moment there are 2 applications because it's automatically connected. Yeah. So you should disconnect it. Yeah. Disconnect. And now we are again in safe place. Your MetaMask is not connected to any application. Okay, so that's it regarding MetaMask in the moment, and I am switching back to my presentation. We have less than 1 minute on Zoom, but let's see how it behaves. So I'm stop sharing my screen and switching to my presentation. Now, interesting projects, Zilliqa. So Zilliqa is native token of Zilliqa network. It has governance token governance Zilliqa JZIL, and disruption to industry which is providing is high speed of transactions. It's 2,800 transactions per second. In comparison with Bitcoin, which has only 5 transactions per second, it's really high speed. You can stake it with annual profit yield 15%. And it was released already in Q3 2017, so it is on market for almost 5 years, so it has proof record. And on 1st April released its metaverse, which they call Metapolis. Market cap is 685 millions, and in the moment circulating supply is 12 billion Zilliqas, which is 61% of maximum supply of 21 billions of Zilliqas. As you can see, this is a chart, and when they announced that on 1st April they will release the metaverse, it started to pump, and it went from approximately 5 cents to 21 cents, which is like 4 times. And unfortunately then by market pressures it went down. But if you look on the graph, this formation is called so-called descending triangle or squeezing, after which is high probability, around 70%, that price will go up. And because Zilliqa is a good project, we do not expect that price will go down. So this is again a good time to position yourself to this project. Now let's have a sneak peek to Zilliqa video.
Okay, I hope you like it. What you really is that in Metaverse you can do various things, from gamification and a whole new branch on the games, which operates in a so-called play to earn. That means that you can buy various tokens in the game and using it to win in that particular game, and on top of it earn tokens. These tokens are obviously cryptocurrencies which you can transfer to your wallet and exchanges and sell it for normal fiat money. Another thing what you can see was buying NFTs, buying land, and this is kind of model of Metaverse where you can walk through the shop, pick particular products, and again you can pay with your wallet in a cryptocurrency, and it will be delivered to you in the real world. You can virtually try it. This is your avatar. Yeah, you can try it, which color fits you better. And again, this is some marketplace or display of NFTs which you can buy, which can be displayed here. Then again, you can see that you are walking through various rooms, so it's kind of improved user experience in comparison with normal websites. In various rooms you can attend various activities, watch some seminars, have meetings. So in the future, for example, we will not have a meeting in a Zoom, but in a room like this. Okay, and even people will be virtually meeting and having parties using their avatars in a Metaverse. Yeah, so it's basically future is coming, and this is how it will look like, and Zilliqa and all the blockchain will help to implement it. Okay, so we watch the video. Now exchanges. So in a very short terms, it is a marketplace where you can buy cryptocurrencies. We can distinguish it to centralized and decentralized. Centralized are marketplaces where you have usually trading screens, and you have on assigned wallets in that exchange. For example, it's Binance, Bitoasis, and so on. Decentralized are smaller and usually operate with your own connected wallet, like for example MetaMask. Examples are Uniswap and PancakeSwap. Exchanges are not equal. Sometimes, very usually, they have very different fees and also offer different coins. And new coins might be released first on decentralized exchanges, and after it reaches certain level of success, they will be hitting centralized exchanges, and that's the point usually when the price is hiking. So if you really believe in some new project, it's better to buy it before they hit centralized exchanges.
Now all exchanges are trying to promote KYC, know your customer. That means that you need to do your identification, provide your ID documents, and sometimes even screen your selfie, so they have your photograph. 2FA, we will speak about that. It's two-factor authentication, which will increase security on your activities on exchange. And again, I have to emphasize that rule, that if it's not your keys, it's not your coin. So as soon as you have money on exchanges, till you export it, till you transfer it to your wallet, it is not your coin. Exchange is being hacked all the time, and even if they are insured, it can happen that if it's crashes, you can lose all your money. So it's better to keep your money on your own wallet, in your own wallet. Binance, one of the biggest and with biggest volume, but also with low fees, is Binance. This is a referral link. If you don't mind, please use this, so both of us we get some reward. It has its own coin, BNB, Binance coin, which in the moment ranks in number 5. As you know that number 1 is obviously Bitcoin, number 2 is Ethereum, and so on. If you are having BNB coin in your portfolio, your fees for any transactions is BNB, and they are 25% less than if you are using particular currency. It could be USD or the coin you are trying to buy. It has again PC and mobile version. You need to set up your KYC, and as soon as you do it, save the documents to your flash drive to folder documents, so you know what documents you use for particular website. We will speak about setting up 2FA. You need to download Binance Authenticator, copy QR, and store to flash folder. Password, you need to set your new password. Again, you should store it to your folder passwords and file passwords txt. In Binance, you need to follow these steps. Basically, first you create your account, and then you verify your identity. You need to follow the steps. It's really easy. It's as easy as set your email account. So you enter your email account, you set your password, you do email notification. They will send you code to your email, so you check and plug it in, and you enter your phone number, and again the same, they send you code which you need to use. And then you need to do verification, which consists of providing personal information, your ID card, and facial recognition. Again, it just take your photo in front of computer. So setup of 2FA, two-factor authentication. You need to go to security folder, and you just follow simple steps. You just click enable, and then you just go through these particular points. You need to go to App Store on Google Play and download Binance Authenticator or Google Authenticator. Each of them, they are equal, so it's up to you. Google is more generic, so more application is using it. Binance Authenticator is dedicated to Binance exchange. Yeah, so you click on next. In this step, you will be provided by QR code, which you need to read with your phone. You click on the plus, then here come option to read QR code. You do it, and it will automatically add it here to you Binance. Yeah. In this step, you need to do screenshot of this part and save it to where? To your flash drive, to 2FA directory, because if you lose your phone or if it got broken, or if you change your device, you will need to reinitialize it, so you will need to use it. Yeah, don't forget it. Backup key, again, you can store it on paper, and this is the moment where you need to verify everything. So again, email verification code, you click here on get code. You will receive email to your mailbox, you read it, and you plug the 6-digit code here. Phone verification, again the same, and Google verification, you go to your phone and you read the code for Binance and you plug it here. Okay, and that's it. It's you connected Google or Binance Authenticator for increased security. Now deposit. All of us, we operate basically in two currencies, either in euros or dollars. If we operate in our currency, which is dirhams or Omani riyals or Saudi riyals, it is all the time connected with US dollars. So if you operate in euros, you can deposit with SEPA transfer. The fee is very low, it's only €1. It is very low in comparison if you need to send money, for example, here to Dubai. You easily pay 20, 30, 40 euros, depending on the height of the amount. Or easier is to use credit card, but already here it incurs fees of 1.8%. If you want to deposit money in US dollars, that means literally you want to use your dirhams or Omani riyals or Saudi riyals. You select currency USD and you will use bank transfer using SWIFT method, and you just continue with the steps you plug. For example, I want to buy $100, continue. You add your bank information. If your bank account is in Middle East, please enter IBAN in the account number field. Okay, so you put your IBAN there, continue, you confirm your information, and that's it. You will receive the information about how to send money to Binance. Another exchange which operates in Emirates is BitOasis. It's already several years on the market, and advantage is that it operates directly in dirhams or in Saudi riyals, and it's easy link with your UA account, so you can easily deposit or extract money from this exchange. Again, here is a referral link, please use it if you don't mind, and your sign-up bonus can be 100 dirhams. Now BitOasis, again, to verify your account, you need to do same step as Binance. You provide some ID card and some information, maybe your face photograph, and select payment method. Again, instantly you can do it with credit or debit card. With easy founding, it's when you connect your dirham accounts with this exchange, and via bank transfer is just SWIFT bank transfer. Yeah. So this is your second task for today. Create your account on BitOasis. Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, and it operates different way. As I explained to you, you need to connect your wallet if you want to swap some coins. Yeah, so let's show it in. Here we launch application, and first step what you need to do is to connect your wallet. We expect that it will connect with MetaMask. Yeah, so we select MetaMask. Now next connecting, and here you can see my address. That means that I can use cryptocurrency in my MetaMask to swap coins. Okay, that's all. Again, when we work with some application with using our MetaMask, last step which you need to do is to disconnect from that site. Here, 3 dots, connected sites, disconnect. Okay, so this is same way how to finish work with particle application. Now back to presentation, and here is a list of safe exchanges. Worldwide, you can use these if you are using VPN, which points to US, or if you are US citizen, or if you live in the US, you can use Binance US. In America, there are special regulatory rules for crypto. That's why they have own version of Binance. So you can't use the usual Binance site, but you need to use Binance US. But other than that, this is all the exchanges you can use. Exchanges are not equal. What does it mean? Different exchanges can have not only different fees, but can have also different prices. As you can see here, on 15th of May at 5 o'clock in the morning, I sold this cryptocurrency with name Luna for 3010, while in the same time I could buy it on another exchange for 407. So already this is almost 40% difference in buying prices. So sometimes it makes sense to check various exchanges. Maybe this is a very special situation because this was the time when Luna was falling badly. And again, just on a comment to Luna, during last week, look on this particular trade. Yeah, again, I bought it for 0007. I sold it for 00010. So even on that, the profit was almost 50%. So you see that it's again the way how you look on the thing. Sometimes you are losing when you are buying on falling prices of particular currency, but if you invest in that coin in a specific good moment, you can sell it later for profit. Now, how to buy or sell your crypto. The easiest step what you can do is by using so-called conversion. I will show it to you on the website. So on Binance you can buy crypto, using your cash balance. So in my case it's euros. So let's say we want to buy $0.001 Bitcoin, which is expected to be 27.5 euros. If I click on continue, what we can see here is a so-called offer, 27.55 euro, but this code expired. So these codes you need to refresh before you want to buy it. So again, refresh, and this price might change. So it's again 27.55, and eventually you need to click on confirm, and at that time a particular trade will happen for you. So this is a simplest way how to buy crypto for your normal fiat money. Another possibility is to buy it via trading screen. Here we have example of Shiba. So trading screen looks like this. For you, what is really most important is check here. And I think we'll continue with this during next session when I everything show you live in front of your eyes. Okay, so for time being, it's everything for today. Thank you very much for attention, for your time spent with me, and we will continue with trading screen when we explain what we can see here, some indicators, price, how to place a particular order, and where to check it in the system. Okay, looking forward for next presentation. Thank you very much for now.